Mr. Kneisel, no matter how hard I blow through this horn, I can't get any sound through. I've got a pretty good guess what's wrong with it. Each of your valves is going to have a little number that points towards the mouthpiece, and a lot of instruments will even have a little groove where it fits into it. Once it gets in that groove, you'll feel it actually kind of click into place. Then you can go ahead and tighten it. Double check that it works by blowing air through it. Mr. Kneisel, I was bopping my mouthpiece and now it's stuck. Okay, you're right, Jimmy. That thing is stuck in there. This is where the Bobcat mouthpiece puller comes in. Tighten this up right where the lead pipe meets the mouthpiece. Then all you have to do is twist until it pops free. If you still can't get this fixed by yourself, you need to send it to the repair shop. I just don't get it. I've used every kind of oil imaginable and my trumpet still is sticking. The valve just won't go up and down. You just told me exactly what the problem is. Think about a car. You have to get the oil changed because there's dirt, grime, debris, even metal pieces sometimes in the oil. By completely changing and cleaning the oil out, you can start fresh and there won't be any issues with that tight metal tolerance. Completely clean the old oil off, then apply just one oil. You shouldn't be mixing oils. Some people swear by a specific brand. I've used Blue Juice, I've used Cass, I don't really care, as long as you're not mixing different kinds of oils. Oh no, I broke it. My stepmom's gonna kill me. Sometimes the inside of the valve can come unthreaded when you're loosening it. This piece is separate from the rest of the body. If you can't get it out, you might even have to remove the bottom piece to push it out from the other side. Take note of which way the spring and the little plastic piece are oriented so you can put it back exactly where it's supposed to go.